Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure, or figures I should say, in front of us. This is the Amazon exclusive Chewbacca and C-3PO. I know that this has been out for a while and I'm probably late to the game, but this has gone on sale a few times now and I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and buy it. I've got like 2 other Chewies, so that's why I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it, but with all the sales that have been happening on Amazon lately, I'm like, all right, let's go ahead and buy it. So that's why we have this today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. We'll go ahead and take a look at the articulation. Apparently C-3PO is going to have a lot of articulation. And then we'll go ahead and take some pictures and talk about what we like and what we don't like about this Amazon exclusive. All right, so as you can see, we do have C-3PO in pieces. We've got Chewie and we've got a blaster as well. And then we got a picture over here with C-3PO on Chewie's back. On the side here, we've got no big number designation for the red box, but we do have an Echo 8440. And then we've got that same picture from the front, and we've got Chewbacca and C-3PO. Encountering a stormtrooper in Cloud City, C-3PO was blasted at point-blank range, and his limbs were scattered. Chewbacca gathered the parts of the protocol droid and partially reassembled him. And then we've got the standard red box on the side there, so let's go ahead and take him out of the box. I don't know if we've got... Yeah, we do have some tape. I'm like, we've got to have some tape. So, curious to see how this comes apart. Standard instructions. Now, we do have instructions, actual instructions, though, so that's interesting. I think that's one of the first times I've seen that. So we've got the backpack net. We've got C-3PO's body. Get rid of that piece. Got a leg. Got an arm. Another leg. Maybe. Come on. Get out, get out, get out. Another leg. Got an arm. And then blaster. And then the massive Chewie. All right, I'm going to get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at Chewie first. This is actually one of the better bags that I've seen with Chewie, so happy with that. It doesn't open up, and it is attached to the bandolier, obviously. The head has a little bit of movement, not a whole lot. You know, you're not going to be able to turn them too much because of that piece there. The arms do go all the way up, however, so that's good. Not going to twist at the upper arm. We are able to twist fully at the elbow. You are not going to get 90 degrees, however. The hand does go left and right on that one, and it will turn all the way around. This one gets a little bit better than the other side, and it also is a left and right. We do have the torso movement. Might be able to go the full 360. I'm not going to mess with it. Legs, that's about as far as you're going to go. We do have movement at the upper thigh. It is not a double knee. Have a little bit of movement at the ankle. Not really that much. So that's what we got with Chewie there. Put him there. Stand, stay. All right, and then we have C-3PO. So I was kind of taking a look at the instructions here. So now we have the wires sticking out of him on his stumps. They pull off. So if you wanted to actually build, it looks like you can. So that goes in there. That goes in there. Assuming, come on, there we go. Probably needs a little bit of adjustment. Stomp them in there. That goes on that arm. Maybe. There we go. And finally, This one will go in there. Oops, maybe. There we go. So you are able to get a full C-3PO out of this. So that's kind of cool. And then obviously, which is the way I'm probably going to keep them, you are able to take them apart and put them in the sling. So we'll do that at the end. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and take some pictures, and from there we'll go ahead and talk about what we like and we don't like, and then obviously we'll show him torn apart as well. As we're going through here, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask down below. We do have a giveaway going on, and I will put a link up here in the, there we go, about there in the card, and also down in the description as well if you're interested in taking part of the giveaway. So let's go ahead and take some pictures then. All right, so that was interesting. I was not expecting Chewie to be able to hold up the body with C-3PO on him, but obviously he does. He does it very well. I would recommend putting the bag on first before you try stuffing C-3PO in him. But because I had a heck of a time, and basically you just want to sling it around the shoulder, not wearing it like a backpack. That did not work at all. One thing I didn't do, though, was take a look at the blaster. It is a typical blaster. Oops. The only thing that they did do was they made sure to add a little bit of color there, right there. But other than that, it is the typical blaster that we're used to seeing, especially from Imperial or Empire. So that's it. So if you have any questions, focus. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I do invite you to enter the giveaway, and I'll put a link down in the description if you missed it when it was up in the card. And I'll also put a link to the set on Amazon as well. That way, if you are interested and you want to learn more or even to buy it, it is an affiliate link, so it does help out the channel if you do purchase it. So along those lines, if you like Star Wars The Black Series, anything Star Wars related, anything that a professional geek might find interesting, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I'm a professional geek myself, and I put things on the channel that I enjoy, and hopefully you will enjoy as well as a professional geek. And with that, have a great day.